the real world of building and renovating, where no detail is too small.
It was the tile that started everything.
No idea too big.
It's the highest ceilings property that I've ever built.
And the impossible is made possible.
We are now sitting on a cantilevered footing system that the house perches across.
MasterBuild Australia is a building show with one huge difference. Todd was charged with creating a forever home using sustainable materials to be as off-grid as possible. Welcome to the barn. You get to see how a home becomes a reality.
It's not often you get to do and be a part of something like that.
By talking to the people who actually make it happen.
There's so much handcrafted parts here.
The Master Builders.
What a brilliant idea though.
We'll give you exclusive behind-the-build access to exceptional properties all around Australia.
Everything that came into this project and out of the project came via the water.
So I check the tides to surf, you're checking it to build.
That's right.
Each one a potential award winner.
Congratulations, Andrew.
And that means exceptional quality.
The skylight works obviously throughout the day, and at night we've used a cathedral-like detail to light up the walls.
Exceptional construction.
This was a new material to us, and we actually find that we like it. We like it a lot better. It's got more rigidity to it.
Exceptional innovation.
Below us this is our 220,000 litres of water.
Where we're standing right now?
Yeah.
These homes are at the leading edge of today's building technology.
So they can control it not just from here, but from their phones as well.
And viewers get to see firsthand how they can save on living costs and help the environment. We are building on what we presented in Season 1, with masterclasses from expert builders.
Put reinforcing steel, and then on each side you put formwork and whatever shape you want with it, and then you fill it with concrete.
Tips on what you need to know before building your own dream home.
There are mechanisms in them to protect both the owner and the builder.
Showcasing the latest, most sustainable products.
The material comes in a range of different apertures and different colours. That allows us to kind of backlight. So at night, this space takes on a different complexion, and the FRP adds to that.
And how to achieve the wow factor on a budget.
It gives it a bit of a buzz.
I like what you did there, yeah.
Every episode of MasterBuild Australia gives you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at some of Australia's most impressive new homes.
Okay, this really puts the master in master bedroom. My goodness. 180 views, pretty much.
I mean, who can say no to that?
My last question is, when can I move in?
Yeah, you're not the first one to ask.